So the question is, use second method to find the root of the equation f of x is equal to cos x plus 2 sin of x plus x square with the initial condition 0 and minus 0.1. So please note, for second method we require two initial conditions. So 0 and minus 0.1 are the initial condition. Is it okay? So we can start the iteration, but please note, we have to select radians because we are using two trigonometric functions. So we have to, the mode must be radians if you are using calculator. Okay. So we are starting the iteration. So this is a table that we are going to use. Iteration number A, B, f of A, f of B, and C. What is C? C is equal to A minus f of A into B minus A divided by f of A minus f of B. That we are, this equation, we are going to use this equation to find C. Okay, first iteration. So in first iteration, A is 0, A is taken as 0, B is minus 0.1. So what is f of A? After substituting 0 into this equation, f of A is 1. Similarly, what is f of B? F of B is minus 0.1, so f of B is 0.8053. So C is equal to, as per the above mentioned equation, C is equal to minus 0.5136. So this is the C value, minus 0.5136. Now for the next iteration, B is taken as A. Similarly, C is taken as B. Means A equal to B, B equal to C. So what is the new iteration? A equal to minus 0.1, C is equal to minus 0.5136. So you can see that the previous B is current A. So previous f of B will be current f of A. So f of A is 0.8053. Now we have to find f of B. What is B? Minus 0.5136. So corresponding f of B is 0.1521. So this is f of B. So by using these four values, C is equal to minus 0.6099. So this is C. C is equal to minus 0.6099. Okay. So now this is new A, this is new B. So the new iteration is this one. So here in third iteration you can see that A is equal to minus 0.5136, that is this value is taken as A, and B is minus 0.6099, that is this C. Now what is f of A? You can see that this A is the previous B. So f of A will be the previous f of B. So f of A is equal to 0.1521. And what is f of B? F of B is value of f at this point, so that is 0.0461. So now what is C? C is equal, by using these four values, C is equal to minus 0.6518. So this is third iteration. So what will be the fourth iteration? So this is fourth iteration. So minus 0.6099, that is A, minus 0.6518, that is B, then 0.0461, that is f of A. Now what is f of B? F of B is value of f at this point, that is 0.0066. So now what is C? The new C is minus 0.6518. So this is the value of new C. So now we can start the fifth iteration. This is the fifth iteration. So A is minus 0.6518. Now B is minus 0.6588. Now f of A is 0.0066. So this is f of A. Now what is f of B? Value of f at this B, that is 0.0004. So this is f of B. Now what is C? The new C is minus 0.6593. So this is new C, minus 0.6593. So now we can start the sixth iteration. So for sixth iteration, this is minus 0.6588. The previous B is A. Now B is minus 0.6593. Previous C is new B, minus 0.6593. So f of A is 0.0004. Now B, corresponding to B, f of B is rounded value, that is 0. This is rounded to 0. Okay, this is rounded to 0. So C value is, the new C value is minus 0.6593. Means as this is 0, definitely there is no need to find this value because f of B is rounded to 0. So we can say this one is a numerical root. Or if you are finding the new C, it will be the same thing. Okay, so either we can use this B condition, f of B condition to stop the iteration, or we can check whether the C value and the B value are same, or the C value and the previous C value are same to stop this iteration. So you can see that the numerical root is equal to minus 0.6593, minus 0.6593. So this is the numerical. Okay.